Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Joliette, local, and long distance movers near me. Are you looking for a cheap and dependable Joliette moving company? 3 Movers is the right choice for your local or long distance move. We know how to make sure you get the best out of your relocation without any issue. You can enjoy the most convenient long distance move by taking advantage of all we offer: packing services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. If you're ready to relocate and you'll need to move 100 miles away or further, we have the right services to help. Our team of long distance movers can help get you to where you need to be faster and easier. You can hire a Canada moving company to help make your local move simple. It's easy to think a short move can be done without any help, but this is a mistake. Trying to handle a local move on your own is a big job with a lot of work. 3 Movers will provide you with the help you need to make moving easier. Our team can help make sure your move happens faster too. A move that might take you 6 days, we can do in 1 day or less. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Joliette moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.